Okay, well, today we're going to learn how to graph absolute value inequalities using what we already learned about transformations and linear inequalities. Remember, we have this family of graphs called the absolute value. And the most basic graph in that family is the equation y equals absolute value of x. And here's the graph of y equals the absolute value of x. There are other members of this family that you can get by adding these values, a, b, and c. Remember, each of these numbers, each of these values affects the parent graph differently. The a value can change the steepness or the slope of the graph. And also, if a is negative, it flips it. The b value, so this is the a value. The b value moves the graph left to right. And then the c value, you guys recall, moves the graph up or down. This is just a review. Here's the new stuff. I want to graph this inequality. Y is less than the absolute value of x plus 2 minus 3. But this belongs to that family, the absolute value family. So let's see, what did we add? So let's look at the parent graph. So here's the parent graph. Remember, we got y equals the absolute value of x. What are some changes that we made over here? Well, over there on the other side, we got y is less than the absolute value of x plus 2 minus 3. If I write them beside each other and compare them, what's different? Just highlight some of the difference. Well, instead of an equal sign, we got a less than sign. We got a plus 2 here, and we got a minus 3 here. So let's think about what does these changes do to the parent graph. Well, what will the less than sign do? It will make the line dashed, right? And it will make it where you have to shade. The plus 2 moves it either left or right. Well, the plus 2 moves it to the left. So 2 units to the left. And the minus 3, that will move it up or down. So since it's negative 3, it's going to move it down, 2 units down, like 3 units down. Okay, so let's go and graph this. So let's find the vertex. The vertex of the parent graph always starts at 0, 0. What are we doing? We're moving it 2 to the left and down 3. So there's my vertex. Did I change the slope or the steepness? No. So it's just up 1, up 1, up 1, up 1, and so forth. And then do the other side. And it's less than, so that means the line is dashed. And it's y less than the absolute value of x plus 2 minus 3. What does it mean when it's y less than? Where do I do my shading? Hopefully you said under. So I want to shade under this line. So these are the points that make this inequality true. So there's my graph.